How to add HTML code on Shopify. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add HTML code on your Shopify store. Now, the first thing you can do is simply head over to your sales channel, and then from there, you can go to your online store. Just go ahead and click on it, and you'll head over to themes. So you will be able to find your default theme here. So it's Horizon for me. It might be different for you guys. All you have to do here is find these three dots right below, right besides the customize, tap on it and go to edit code. Now it will open up a new tab where you are able to edit the code. It's like a separate code editor for Shopify itself. Now the code editor is being loaded. Once it's fully loaded, you should be able to find different files and different components of your web page. So on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find kind of a explorer where you're able to see different blocks of codes. So these ones are JavaScript files. Now, if you want to find your HTML file, it might be inside the JavaScript files itself. There are some CSS files as well. Now, all you have to do is find the file that you want to edit, or you could completely create a new file for yourself. So what I can do is just go ahead and type in something like index.html, which will create an HTML file for me. Now you can type in anything you want here. So you could just go ahead and start typing your code here. Or if you want to edit something, you can do it with these files here as well. So these are the files. Here are different codes. So you can edit these codes. So these are JavaScript codes. But if you want to do HTML, you can create your own HTML file like this, and you should be able to do so. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you basically add code, HTML code to your Shopify store. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.